as the tension of Igbo must go protest rising up in Twitter space by some Yorubas. This our brother don't come aside, come blast the Yorubas over this issue. He contact them say, why are you people always on Igbos? The land they bought in your place, they paid for it, and why are you fighting the people that are not fighting you? No be small thing, no. He tell them say, may they remember one thing, say that Igbos don't make am clear many times for inside Nigeria, say they want leave, but you people no gree make Igbos leave. Igbo go try to leave and I go climb them down by all means, tell them to be one Nigeria. Why you and the Hausas are not seeing Igbo as one Nigerians? As the Hausas raise up and say that the Igbos are the cause of the protest. But let me shock you right now in this video that I'm going to play you, that the Adamawa governor accusing Tinubu of being the cause of this protest that broke out in Nigeria. And also say because of the hardship, the food inflation, and the cost of petrol, everything that is going up, this is what originated this protest. That if Tinubu government does not do anything, the northern governors now are indirectly or directly supporting the protest. The southeast governors, I hope you people are watching what is happening. Because when the airport raise, is you people that they give these people signal to come and buy your own people. You see what is playing in the north? The north are backing up their own people, condemning the killing of their own people. But in southeast, Hope Uzodinma and what is it called, Mba, and the one of Enugu, where they so the one of Ebonyi State, and the governor of Abia State, when I don't see them, you will see what is happening. The north always protect their own people, but in southeast, you say at your own people. Okay, my people, let us hear what this our brother tell the Yorubas as they do this Twitter space concerning how they are planning to chase out the Igbos in their states. Just watch the video before we come back and continue. Don't forget, say still there for Balabas gist. Please share this video and make sure say you are following us on all our social media handles. Very important. Watch the video.
So Yoruba, we should stop complaining because we need to protest. We need to come out and protest. Igbo are disrespecting our institution. They disrespect our traditional ruler. They disrespect all our headers, and they can't take it in their own space. Therefore, we must not fold our hand. I just have to tell everybody this. This protest, Igbo must go, and the scrap of a unitary system is a must, and it's coming, and it's going to be loud. It's going to, whoever that want to die should. It's in our space. This is our heritage. This is the land our father fought for. And we will not allow anybody, no matter how many acres of land you buy, it is our land. And your land, your purchased land have expired time. Therefore, you cannot claim ownership. So, thank you, Madam Majoke, for
that. Some people just come on social media, they open their mouth, wow. They just open their mouth and talk rubbish. Igbos must go. Ta! Una be. Una just gather ourselves for Twitter. Begin talk rubbish. Miscreants. Igbo must go. Go pursue them, come on Lagos now. Una wait they Twitter. Go pursue them, come on Lagos. They watching now. Go to their house. No, Igbo must go. More than go do the protest now. Una be. 15 people don't gather themselves for Twitter. Begin talk rubbish. Igbo must go. And please, I want to just call on the federal government, because this one now is an act of terrorism. Yes, it's an act of terrorism. That particular man's name is Baba Omega on Twitter. Baba Omega. For those of you watching this video, please, I want you to share this video till it gets to the right authorities. That Baba Omega must be called for questioning by the DSS, and he will tell us the plans they have against the Igbos in Lagos. Yes, he must tell us the plans they have against Igbos in Lagos. What have the Igbos done to you people in this country? What have the Igbos done to you guys in this country? What have the Igbos done to you people? They fought a civil war because they wanted to go. You people no agree made them go. They fought the war. War ended. You guys took all their money, gave all of them 20 pounds. 20 pounds. Whether you had £1 million, you were left with only £20. You were given only £20. That's what Awolowo did. He gave them only £20. These guys began to sell okrika. They began to do obioma. They began to do all sorts of things. And from there, they began to build themselves into one of the wealthiest ethnic groups in Nigeria. One of the wealthiest people. What in Igbos don't do now? Now, so threatening the threatening Igbos. Is it because there are 5 states? I don't understand now. Every time Igbos leave. They want to leave. That's what they're asking for Biafra. Give them their Biafra, let them go. Now, not going to still give them their Biafra. They are fighting. They say they don't want to stay. Oh, yeah, let them go. Now go carry Operation Snake, Operation Python, Operation Lizard, Operation Flybird. Now go carry and go there to stop them. Yet you keep threatening the others, one ethnic group, keep threatening another ethnic group consistently. What will happen? Now those gather themselves for Twitter, they do Twitter space, they talk rubbish. Open map, wow, those they talk rubbish. Igbos must leave. Oh yeah, go and do the protest now. When I say if Igbos decide to merge their guards, say Yorubas could feed do them anything. I don't understand these people. You just on social media, you just be seeing people that don't have sense. They don't be talking rubbish. Igbos must go. Go pursue them now. See that Mumu saying that the land that they bought has expired date. You are a big idiot. That Baba Miga, you are a big idiot. You are a big idiot. You know why I say you are a big idiot? Because person don't buy land for me, you say get expiry date. When you sell the land to them, you put expiry date for the paper of the land. You don't get sense. One sense you don't get. And all the people in that space that will listen to that idiot saying all those rubbish. You people who are senseless. Not just that Twitter space, they listen to person who don't get sense. You want to do Igbo must go protest in Lagos. Go do now. Go do anything when I sooner collect. You save Igbo's mother.
Yes, my wonderful people, right done, my brother. Thank you so much for that word you give to Yoruba people, because I know that this is not all Yorubas are doing this. After all, our brothers and sisters are married to Yorubas, and we also married to Yorubas. Not all Yorubas are doing this in avoidance of that. So, but some of these Yorubas who are ignorant of making this move, we would like you to, and we would like to visit you people. We would like to welcome you people to our businesses, to our very areas we live, and we want to shake hands with you people. It's going to be tough. It's not going to be a child's play, not a fight of stone. But be prepared before you are coming to meet us, because we are ready for you people. Enough is enough for a while. However, let me bring you this update for you to see the speech that Adamawa governor made this morning concerning this protest that is going on in Nigeria right now. For you to see that the Northerners always protect their own. Watch.
It's clear and the demands are genuine. None of us can deny the fact that there is no hunger and general poverty in the land. This has been made worse by the harsh economic realities, a deficit policy direction, and insensitivity of the national government to engage the citizens civilly. As leaders of the people, we must at all times not only listen but act. The lesson we must derive from the protest is the constant reminder that it is not enough to tell the citizens we have heard. Must be seen as doing the needful in providing solutions to citizens' concerns. Some of the demands of the protesters, as genuine as they are microeconomic policies issues that can only be addressed by the national government. This is the reality of our federal structure and constitution. We shall work with you to make sure that the demands are attended to.
Yes, my people, it's very clear here. So this is also a lesson given to Southeast governors. Please, I want you people to work for your own people. Work for your own people. Your people first before any other person. Very, very important, because you know we the Igbos, we are not afraid of anybody, and we are not afraid to confront you. If you think you have arrived, when the people will rise against you, everything you made in 20 years may gone in one day. I hope you people know this one. So the security you have now have nothing to do when people mean business for you. So a time have come for you to ask your people what did they really want. I'm talking to Southeast governors. What do you people really want? Anything they say they want is where you should stand. This is my own advice to give to you people before you start running and putting your hand in your head. My people, na so you build and now say ma carry am come give una. For the people where they thought say na Igbos na bring the protest, I think you have to go and drink some medicine for you to rehabilitate your brain and reset your brain. Upon say the Igbos say they are not joining the protest, but still yet you people are pointing them hand. The Yorubas are planning, some Yorubas are planning to do Igbo must go protest in Lagos. But however, the Igbos have message for you people. They say they are ready for that your protest. You understand? They no boy anybody boy with strong head. Now when you start, the own madness will start gradually as well. So I hope the DSS, the army, the police are watching all those statements. These people are making. When Igbo person now stand up to talk, they will pick that person and lock him up because they own Nigeria and tell them you don't have right to talk. Remember when this thing happened during the demolition and all those things, one Eze stood up and talk. Say if this thing continue, he's going to invite the ESN to come and protect them. That man is still inside till today because he's an Igbo man. Nnamdi Kalu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, is still inside today because he's an Igbo man. Enough is enough. Our people need to wake up. Our people need to wake up. All this injustice in Nigeria have to end. If our forefathers have been keeping quiet like this, we may not exist today because they resist them, and that is why me and you are existing. When somebody talking, I say is he instigating violence, is he doing this one, is he doing this one, but your people are the one who are instigating violence and causing this. We people are not doing anything to protect the Igbos in Nigeria. We are not a visitors. We are still in our land, for your information. So if you don't want us in Nigeria, then allow us to go peacefully. We don't even need war. We want to just be on our own peaceful with no war. This is a clear message, and stop threatening the Igbos in Lagos. This is the second time we are doing this video, and this is the last time we are going to talk about this Igbo must go protest. Until when you begin the protest, then you will see the other part of the Igbos. Share this video and make sure say you are following the channel for more updates as it dey hot.